probably felt it countless times, sitting down after holding it in too long and the instant relief hits, almost like a wave of pure satisfaction washing over your body. That feeling, surprisingly, isn't just in your imagination. There's actual science behind why peeing feels so good, and it's more fascinating than you'd think. It's not just about emptying your bladder. It's a carefully orchestrated biological symphony involving your brain, your nervous system, and a flood of chemical signals designed to make you feel relief, almost like your body is giving you a little reward for doing something so ordinary. Welcome to Just Simple Things. To understand it, we first need to look at the bladder itself. Your bladder isn't just a passive storage bag. It's a highly sensitive organ packed with stretch receptors that constantly monitor how full it is. Every time it fills a little, those receptors send signals to your spinal cord and brain, saying, "Hey, we're getting full here." When you finally decide to urinate, a complex communication network kicks in. Muscles relax, sphincters open, and urine flows out. But here's the interesting part. The act of emptying your bladder triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the part of your body responsible for relaxation and calm. That's the same system that slows your heart rate, eases tension, and helps you recover from stress. In other words, peeing isn't just emptying your bladder, it's activating your body's built-in relief switch.
There's also a chemical side to it. When urine leaves the bladder, the pressure on your internal walls drops suddenly. That pressure relief sends signals to your brain, especially the reward centers in the hypothalamus and the brainstem. These areas release small amounts of dopamine and other feel-good neurotransmitters, giving you a subtle but noticeable sense of pleasure. It's your body's way of saying, "Well done, you listened to the signals and avoided unnecessary stress." And yes, that's why sometimes holding it in for too long makes the first drop feel almost euphoric. Your body has been building up tension, and releasing it suddenly is intensely satisfying. But it's not just physical. There's a psychological component as well. Humans are wired to notice bodily comfort and discomfort because it's crucial for survival. When your bladder is full, it's uncomfortable, distracting, and even slightly stressful. Once you relieve that discomfort, your brain interprets it as a reward. Over time, this learned association between relieving bladder pressure and feeling good has been reinforced by evolution. After all, a species that recognizes and responds to internal signals efficiently is more likely to survive and thrive.
Interestingly, the pleasure is amplified by context. Standing outside in a cold wind, holding it in through a long meeting, the sense of relief when you finally urinate is magnified because the contrast between tension and release is more extreme. Your nervous system is essentially celebrating that sudden shift from high pressure to low, from discomfort to comfort. And the amazing part? This whole system is automatic. You don't have to think about it. Your body knows exactly how to reward you for doing something so routine. So, the next time you feel that wave of bliss as you finally relieve yourself, remember, it's not just a quirk of human biology. It's a carefully designed interplay of anatomy, neurology, and chemistry, evolved over millions of years to make sure you notice when your body needs attention and reward you for taking care of it. Peeing is more than a basic bodily function. It's a full-body experience with built-in relaxation, pleasure, and efficiency. If this made you look at one of life's simplest acts a little differently, hit like, share it with someone who's ever groaned about holding it in, and subscribe to Simple Things for more deep dives into the extraordinary science behind everyday experiences.